Lahat ng ating mga organizers, sa lahat ng ating mga sponsors, to all of our officials, our coaches, our chaperones, all of those who made this event possible. Despite the ongoing war and worldwide crisis, nandito po tayo. Palakpakan po natin ang sarili natin. Congratulations for making it all the way to Ilocos Norte. Most especially sa ating mga kapatid from Mindanao for traveling the entire Philippines from south to north. Welcome po once again to Ilocos Norte. Well, I hope these next few days and weeks will be very enjoyable para sa inyong lahat. We hope that you get to not only compete and improve your craft, but also to enjoy everything that Ilocos Norte has to offer. Not only on the diamond, but also in terms of our tourism. Home to the only sand dunes in the country. Home to, of course, our wind farms, Pagudpud in the north, and of course, our culinary delights like empanada and longanisa and bagnet and pinakbet. So please enjoy everything that Ilocos Norte has to offer, and please feel at home for your entire state. And please come back always. You are always welcome in Ilocos Norte. Sa ating mga players, of course, respect your opponent, respect the officials, respect the umpire, and respect the game. Good luck to all of you. May the best team win. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And welcome once again to Ilocos Norte. Maraming salamat po.